Hey, fourth grade, Mr. Downs here. Great to see you again. And I'm showing you a picture. You may know it's May 8th, but to me, May 8th meant this year was our track and field day, all school district track and field day. So I wanted to make sure we remembered that day. And even though you see the track right now is empty, we know we're thinking about you on this day and what a fun day this was. This should have been a day filled with runners, just like last year. Should have been filled with people in the crowd, and that was Park Terrace from last year. It should have been filled with, and most importantly, it should have been filled up like this. This was my view last year at the track and field day after everybody gathered at the end to have lunches. But you know what? We haven't forgotten about you, fourth grade. What we're going to do for you this year, we're going to have some fun. It's going to be the first ever virtual Panther track and field day. That's right, fourth grade. We haven't forgotten about you. We haven't forgotten about that special t-shirt that everybody gets at the end of the track and field day that no other grade gets, just fourth grade, celebrating you and your graduation for fourth grade. And we call it virtual because guess what? Nothing can keep us apart. Here's what I need you to do. On Monday, I'm going to come out with some awesome ideas, and you can even start this weekend because you know what? It's your creativity that can lead you to having fun with this all together. So the next 2 weeks, what I want you to do is I want you to either do a track and field event, that could be a running event, in the yard, at the school. I don't know where you would do it, but you'd have to do it somewhere where you can do it again, spatially aware from other people or just family members, or a field event, which would be awesome. And I'll show you fun things you can do because we don't have a high jump, but we can certainly make something up at home. We don't have hurdles, but we can certainly hurdle over something at home. So what you're going to need to do is give me a picture, a video, a drawing, meet me in my office with something that you've done that has to resemble a track and field, and get creative as you want, because at the end of this, we're going to give you one of those t-shirts, and we want to make sure that you are part of our first ever 2020 Panther Virtual Track and Field Day. It will be the first t-shirt, like this one I'm wearing right now, 2015. Long time ago. 5-year anniversary. But guess what? You are the first class to do a virtual track and field day. Even though we'd like to be with our friends, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a video together at the end where it's going to show all of us in action so it looks like we're all together again. And then we'll get those t-shirts to you and we'll give you details. But again, look for my stuff on Monday of some great activities you can do. But get started this weekend, because on May 22nd, Thursday, May 22nd, I need to have your videos, your pictures, your drawings, or maybe your voice back to me so that I know you earned your shirt. So you got 2 weeks to get active, have fun, and do anything with a running and field event. Have a great weekend. Have a great Mother's Day. And we can't wait to see what we put together for our first ever 2020 Virtual Track and Field Day. Have a great day, fourth grade. I can't wait to do this. It's going to be so fun, and your teachers are so excited to join in. Have a great day.